The BYD Seagull Honor Edition offers two battery options, catering to different driving needs and preferences. Here's a summary of its specifications and features. Dimensions. Bullet, length, 3,780 mm, bullet, width, 1,715 mm, bullet, height, 1,540 mm, bullet, wheelbase, 2,500 mm. Standard features. Bullet, Bluetooth, bullet, NFC keyless entry, bullet, 4G car connectivity, bullet, navigation performance, bullet, single electric motor with 55 kilowatt maximum power, bullet, 135 nanometer peak torque, bullet, acceleration from 0 to 50 km per hour in 4.9 seconds. Battery options. Standard battery. Bullet, capacity, 30.08 kWh, bullet, CLTC pure electric range, 305 km. Flying version battery. Bullet, capacity, 38.88 kWh, bullet, extended range, 405 km. Safety features. Bullet, airbags, bullet, parking sensors, bullet, rear camera, bullet, cruise control, bullet. Flying version adds adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, lane departure warning, traffic sign recognition, wheel options. Bullet, Vitality version, 15-inch steel wheels, bullet, free and flying versions, 16-inch alloy wheels. Other standard features. Bullet, LED headlights, bullet, imitation leather steering wheel, bullet, wireless phone charging, bullet, power windows with anti-pinch function, driver's window. The Seagull Honor Edition offers a compact size, making it suitable for urban driving. It comes with standard connectivity features and a good set of safety features across all trims. The option for two different battery capacities allows customers to choose based on their range requirements. Additionally, the flying version offers advanced driver assistance systems for added safety and convenience.